Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about Meta Llama 3, which is the most capable large language model introduced by Meta this month. Meta has introduced this model to compete with its peers such as Google and Mistral. What's interesting is that this Meta AI assistant will be integrated into Facebook, Instagram, Messenger and a standalone website much like ChatGPT. Now let's delve into what Llama 3 is. It is a family of large language models introduced by Meta AI in February 2023. The first version of Llama was released in 4 sizes: 7 billion, 13 billion, 33 billion and 65 billion parameters. Surprisingly, the 13 billion model of Llama outperformed OpenAI's GPT-3, which has 135 billion parameters. You might be wondering, what are parameters? Parameters are a measure of the size and complexity of an AI model. A large number of parameters means an AI model is more complex and powerful. Llama 2 was released in July last year with 7 billion, 13 billion and 70 billion parameters, and now Meta has just released Llama 3. It comes in 2 sizes, 8 billion and 70 billion parameters. All models of Llama 3 support context lengths of 8,000 tokens. This allows for more interactions and complex input handling compared to Llama 2 or Llama 1. More tokens here mean more input or prompts from users and more response from the model. Now let's talk about how good is Llama 3. On their website, Meta said our pre-trained and instruction fine-tuned models are the best model existing today at the 8 billion and 70 billion parameters scale. According to the company, the post-training processes have led to greatly improved capabilities like reasoning, code generation and instruction following, making Llama 3 more diverse. Meta claims that in benchmark evaluations, Llama 3 8 billion surpassed other open source AIs like Mistral 7 billion and Gamma 7 billion. Although Meta has not officially stated the use cases of Llama 3, considering that it is similar to existing AI chatbots, Llama 3 can be used to create different forms of text such as poems, code, scripts and musical pieces. It can summarize factual topics and can also be used to translate languages. Now you all must be curious to know how to try Llama 3, right? So the good news is that Meta has integrated Llama 3 into Meta AI, which can be used on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger and the web. It is readily available for developers as Meta has integrated the LLM into the Hugging Face ecosystem. Currently, Meta AI is available in English across the US on WhatsApp. So that's all about Meta AI's Llama 3. So what do you think about Llama 3? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the Tweak Library. See you in the next one.